Okay, so I'm gonna install Omarchy in a virtual machine today. I'm gonna use like VirtualBox. You probably know what VirtualBox is. And like since first you need to go into the BIOS or UEFI, whatever you call it. I'll just call it BIOS. And you have to turn on virtualization. For AMD users, it will be AMD V, and for Intel, I'm pretty sure it's going to be like VTX, something like that, somewhere along those lines. Okay, so yeah. I'm gonna get my another device to record my screen because as you probably know, you can't screen record with this screen record in the BIOS, which is very extremely annoying. Okay, so I got into the BIOS of my computer. It'll look different depending on what device you have. Right now I'm in the easy mode because it always lands on like that. So let's turn on the virtualization. So first we have to go find the menu which is in it, which I can't really find. Okay, I'll just go into the advanced mode. It's not really advanced. Really simple. Okay, so I got in there. Now I have to find the advanced is probably in and it should be in it's not in here, which is yeah, I didn't really expect it to be in the advanced, but yeah, I've never really turned on this thing in here, so yeah. So nope, it's not in here. I think it's in tool then. Nope, it's not in there. Wait a second, let me exit. I haven't actually yes, I want to leave. Should be in user profile then. Nope, it's not in there. SPD, nope. Oh my god, where the heck is it? Boot, let's just wait, is it in here? Nope. Secure boot config. I don't really want. No, it's not in there either. Okay. Then yes. Wait, sorry. Then yeah. Oh my god, I'm spending 1 minute in trying to find the freaking thingy to turn on it when in my previous computer, which is an older version that doesn't look this advanced. It was way easier. Okay, I'm just gonna at this point I'm just gonna search. Second, I'm gonna search AMD V, which is probably I'm pretty sure what it's called. Nope, I didn't find that. Okay, so virtual. No virtual either. Just oh my god, where is the if I couldn't find it, I'm gonna rage. If it somehow ended up in here, I'm gonna rage even more, but no, it's not. I just wanna find it. Okay, is it an FTP? I don't think it is. Yeah, it's not in there. Trusted computing. Nope, not in there either. Yup, not in there. Now it should be in it's an 8. I am definitely not crashing out that I can't find this. Oh my god. How can I? Okay, I'm just gonna check in easy mode. Again, resize bar, normal. Boot menu, dude. Actually, where is it? Where it should be. Oh wait, sorry. It went unfocused. Yeah, it got unfocused. Sorry, I went back in easy mode, advanced mode. It should be in tool though. Not even in tool. Where could it be? Okay, why is it so hard to find? Oh my god. At this point, navigating a BIOS might be easier. Oh my god, monitor, nope. This BIOS is like making me crash out. It like nope, still not there. I'm just like literally checking everything now. Is it an AI tweaker? I don't think it'll be. I'm like I already checked, but still. I'm gonna search something it again. VI. Virtual. Oh, why is it not finding it? Machine. AMD. AMD. Oh, that's an FTPM. Dude, actually, where is it? Is it not even in this? Okay, I'm just gonna like be right back and check if there even is if this computer even supports like this. Okay, it seems like AMD named it. No, not like the motherboard, which is the tough the ASUS TUF B450M Pro Gaming that I have. For some reason, fancily named my AMD V into into go into CPU configuration for me into SVM. Who would have known that SVM was virtualization? Like, would you have? If you didn't ask ChatGPT, I definitely did not ask ChatGPT. And also, I found out that if you want to have access to your GPU to make it work, but I don't really know what it does. You have to go for me, I have to go to AMD CBS and then enable IOMMU, which is needed for GPU pass through and PCIe or whatever that is. So yeah, and then after that, all you have to do, for me, it depends on for you also. All you have to do is go into, you have to go in advanced. For this, easy mode won't work. You have to go into exit and then save. Wait a second. What the heck? I guess I'll just go in easy mode because why not? Because this is just so go in save and exit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, seems like IOMMU is already enabled. And yeah, now it's rebooting, and I'll see you in my screen recording. Okay, after a million years of recording later, and no, not recording, editing later. Oh my god, I hated turning on virtualization. At least I won't have to do it anymore. If you have an HP computer, which I used to have, it would be way more easier. And if you also had Intel, it'd be extremely and way more easier than going through this. So yeah, I use Fluor, by the way. Fluor is a very good browser. It's based on Firefox, but still looks very nice. Okay, so let's continue. Go on. So yeah, I have my editing stuff here already. So yeah. So let's go into VirtualBox. I'll show you how to install it. So I have to search up VirtualBox. I use Brave search. I have no idea. You have to go to VirtualBox and you have to go in here, download, and you can choose Windows host and download it. Also, you should also get the extension packs. Will be a bit better, I guess. I don't really know what it does, but I guess it's better. And yeah. And also you have to download the VirtualBox thing. I already have it installed. I already have it installed. So I don't need it, but just follow whatever it says and yeah, it'll be good. And you might need to restart. I actually kind of forgot. And also while that, you have to download Omarchy ISO, which is over here. I already downloaded it. already downloaded the Omarchy thingy, majingy, which is over here, yeah. And then after you do all that stuff, let's just open the extension pack, which installs it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, install. Yeah, I agree without even reading it, because who even reads those anymore? And it should be installing, and yeah, it should be done by now. Now after that, I have to press new and name it. I'm gonna name it Omarchy, because I don't want to name it Omarchy. After that, you have to select other and choose the ISO, which is the and then after that, it'll just automatically do all of that stuff for you. Like since it's based off Arch Linux, so it knows that. Set up unattended. Yep, it already did that. Yeah, actually did that. Wow, pretty good. And specify virtual hardware, which is you do not want it to have 1 GB of RAM, so that's the RAM. I'm gonna set it up to about this much. I don't want to set it to 8. And I'll just set it to 2 CPU stuff. For that, I'll just give it 5 GB, because like I don't want to send too much. After that, finish. Now we have to install this, I'm pretty sure. So you have to do this. You have to power it on. I wasn't able to test this because like the last time I tried doing it, which was off screen, and I didn't have AMDV turned on. So yeah, hopefully it works. And like yes, it's starting it up. It's been extremely long since I used this. Okay, so Arch Linux, yeah. Let's go into the Omarchy install medium. Don't worry, I'm pretty sure it's not going to make us install Arch Linux, because I've never actually done it. But then it seems like it's going to, like Arch is supposed to be really hard to install. So yeah, yep, it's doing that by itself. And the install is actually pretty simple. Like when I do it on a physical device, sometimes it just doesn't work because I use Wi-Fi. But my PC is using Ethernet, and yeah, it should be way easier with Ethernet. I'm not, and like VMs should be much more easier to install, because you don't have to connect to Wi-Fi and other stuff, because it's connected directly to your PC. Okay. So yeah, normally if you do it without if you normally install this without the not like in an actual machine, it should make a like Mario sound thingy. Okay, let's continue. First you have to select your keyboard layout, and mine will be the English US one. After that, we can set up your US account, your username account. I'll just set it to easy, because like that's my handle for my username for basically everything. And password, not gonna tell you. Actually, no, not like that. No, not that. Yep, that should be good for me, and you have to confirm that. And I'm gonna skip these because I'm not gonna use it that much, and anyway, I don't want to get authentication. I'll just name it Omarchy. If you want to name it, it's a host name, which is basically the name your network identifies it. I'm just gonna hit enter for Omarchy. But I know I'm okay with Omarchy. After that, I have to select your time zone. Normally, in the other ones, you could search up for it, but since I live in Singapore, I'm just gonna select that. And yeah, it looks right. I skipped the full name and stuff. I sent in the password. Who won't? Now we're installed only the VBox hard disk, because that's the only thing. Yeah, there's nothing in this disk, so you don't really have to think. Now, yeah, you just have to wait for install according to the manual, which is over here. It'll take 2 to 10 minutes to install. Over here, yeah, 2 to 10 minutes. This guy, the guy who did it, 1 minute 51 seconds, was pretty lucky. So yeah, I'll probably be right back once it's done installing.
Okay, so sadly, this thing happened. So basically, while I was installing, I just came back to check on it, and then my computer just crashed out. So basically, it said this: your PC suddenly ran into a problem and needs to restart, and yeah, and after that just not loaded after that, so I had to turn off turn on like two times was the first time my thing was updated because they haven't updated it for a bit, so yeah, like, it's still like, so I'm just telling you how to do it. It might have changed, but so this thing. So since I could like show you what to do after installing, but if it needs you what I have to do is press OK. I can't really show you what to do after that, but you could refer to the Omarchy manual. I'll just so quickly put it on screen. And yeah, it's on screen now, the link. So like, yeah. Sorry for not being able to do that. And haha, did you really think I would show my face on my first video?